In September, when it was still not clear when Russell would be required to report to prison because of his appeal, Rutherford boldly told Newman there is absolutely no reason to move this case forward when it came to scheduling the state trial. You might remember that hearing because Corey and Alec were also there, and Todd Rutherford stood up when Alec entered the courtroom to shake his hand. Judge Newman ultimately decided not to set the trial date, which brings us to now. So also this week, on Monday, Mark Moore and Emily Limehouse submitted a status report to Judge Gergel to let them know where things stood in terms of setting a date for Russell's federal retrial. The court's preference is that it be set for March. Here's what the report said, after misspelling Russell's name in the very first sentence. Number 1, immediate Mark Moore derangement syndrome kicked in. They told the court that Mark didn't represent Russell during the original trial, and while he has, quote, a familiarity with the record, he needs, you guessed it, more time. Let's call that MOORE time. 2, but that's not all. If excuse number 1 isn't good enough for you, Judge, here's another one. Mark is involved in a, quote, complex civil matter that will be taking up his time over the next 3 months. 3, was excuse 2 not enough, Judge? We have another one for you. Russell is considering adding another lawyer to the team. 4, but sad face, the court froze Russell's monies and now he can't pay Mark Moore for his appeal. The old bills, or his trial, the new bills, or another attorney. Womp womp. 5. Wait. Excuse number 5. Mark Moore has a personal matter which might interfere with a March 2025 court date.
Emily Limehouse said that she was prepared to try the case on March 24th, which Russell thinks is too early, but that would be the earliest he could do it. He would rather have it be May, though. But here's the really good part. Emily told the court that she might add additional charges to Russell's indictment, which is, what? While Mark has delays, Emily has more charges. Russell's case is so dramatic. Behind the scenes, we're also told that it's not out of the realm of possibility that we might see new defendants here too. Who? Well, we have always wondered about Russell's sister and father in their alleged roles in creating Alec Murdoch's crime-friendly banking system. So like we said a few weeks ago, even though this appellate decision gets Russell out of prison, it is a short-term blessing with a curse attached to it. Things are almost worse for him now. Okay, so Emily told the court that the government plans to object to any more MMDS nonsense moving forward because any new charges wouldn't be a surprise to Russell's team. They stem from testimony, apparently. And Mark Moore's response to that is, well, I'ma do that anyway. He's like, I don't know. That personal issue of mine might come up around that time, and you know, those extra charges would require more work for me. On Monday, the state hearing is going to be heard by Judge Heath Preston Taylor in Orangeburg County. That's right, home of Bowen Turner. This will be the first time Judge Taylor will be weighing in on the Murdoch case, so it'll be interesting to see what tone he sets.